In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple flyer using the platform called Canva. Basically, we know that Canva is an online website used in designing any kind of graphic. So, if you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Don't forget to share this video. So now, if you want to create a simple flyer, it's very easy. You can come to the search bar here. You can just type flyer. It's very simple. Flyer, F-L-Y-E-R. By the time when you type flyer, you hit on enter, you click enter. So we just allow it to load up. It's very easy. So now when you look at this place now, it takes us to the flyer dashboard, and here we have already made template. Now we have about 11,357 already made templates here. But let me just choose any. I don't want to create my own flyer from scratch. I can just come to this place. I can search for an already made template, or I can just click on one of the free ones. Like this one now is paid. This one is paid. This one is paid, but this one is free. So I'll just click on it. So now, by the time when I click on it now, I can come to this place that says template. Now I can be probably now, maybe I want here, this here that says template. Probably now I want to make a flyer for a kind of maybe I want to make a flyer for marketing, maybe marketing promotional. I can just come to this place now and type marketing. In this place I can come here and type marketing. Then I click on enter. So as you can see, it has taken me to a lot of templates, and already made templates here. Now it's very easy. Then I can come to this place and choose this template. Now see, this one is free. I can just come here and click on it. Now this is an already made template now, probably now. So basically now, because this is just an intro to flyer, because in my next video I think I'll be doing a lot of videos on flyer. So you can come to this place and you do a lot of edit your work, a lot of things. Probably now, assuming that you want to, maybe you can come here now and click Control Delete. You can just maybe you can name it digital media. You can come to this place now, discover. Then you can come to this place here. They say discover digital media enterprise. Enterprise. You can come to this place and do a lot of editing. Here I say discover a new level of this. You can come here and Control A it. Okay. Come to this place and delete it. Then you can probably just come here and name it a room. You can just say a room for all starters in media marketing ing. You can come here and enlarge the text. You can see it's very small. You can come here and enlarge it. Okay, you can still come to this place now. If maybe you want to change the logo, you can delete this logo. Probably now you can come to template and probably want to come to your here. Then you can just search for marketing logo. So you click on it. So you can come to this place and you add your logo. You can just drag it. You see, This is how it's very easy when it comes to Canva. Just like I said, when it comes to Canva, when it comes to, so you drag it, then if you come to this place, I said you can still come here and delete your text. Come here and delete it. You can still come here and write, we offer the best digital tools for your business, Just like I said, we are just editing an already made template here. They can come here and maybe if they want to change the text or the color for emphasis, you can come here and make it to be red and increase the font size. It's very, very easy. Then maybe here you can come to this place and maybe you want to you can just include something and just come here and say we are the best. We are the best in digital marketing. I'm just editing an already made template in this video. Maybe probably in my next video I'm going to make a flyer from the scratch. Okay, so now after doing that, what do? There are so many things you can do here. It's very, very easy. Okay, if you are getting any value from this channel, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. As you can see, you can still come here for the sake of emphasis. You can still change the color. Probably you can change the color. You can make the color to be blue, to be green, but let me just make the color to be red. Then this picture, now you can come here and change it. You can still delete this picture here. You can still delete it. Delete grid. You can come here and delete everything. Then we can come to this place now and we can insert. Then we'll come to photos. You can type, when we come to photo, we type marketing, ing. You click enter. So you can see how easy it is. Then we'll come to this place and you can just insert any of this photo here. See how easy it is. Okay, this one is paid. Remember, we are using the free version of Canva, so this one is so we just have to drag it and drag it and drag it and drag it. Just have to be dragging it and drag it and drag it and drag it. Just the one thing about Canva is you don't need to be very creative when it comes to Canva. Understand? You can see how beautiful our logo is. You can see how beautiful our logo is. So just like I said, when it comes to digital design, there are 7 elements when it comes to graphic design, and it all depends. In fact, there is nothing like bad flyer or good graphic design. Everything all depends on what you want, but the most important thing, and when it comes to graphic design, as you can see how beautiful, let me zoom it for you to see. You can see how beautiful it is. This is just a simple flyer that I designed from an already made template. You can see how amazing it is. So that is how to create flyer from an already made template. Is it not beautiful? Is it not beautiful? Let me zoom it. As you can see, you can see how beautiful it is. So when it comes to graphic design, there are certain things that needed to be put into consideration, because now there are 7 elements of graphic design, which include color, things like texture, things like size, things like shape, things like line, things like value. All those things are what makes up a good graphic design. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have made a series of video on how to use Canva. There are so many of them. When you go to the link, everything will be on the description of this video. Okay, I made a video on how to create free Canva account. I made a video on how to remove background from Canva, especially when you are using the free version of Canva. I also made a video on how to design a YouTube thumbnail. I made a video on how to create an ebook. Okay, and there's a video I also made. I made a video on how to create ebook cover. Everything, the link is in the description of this video. You know, in this place I give real value. Okay, don't forget, it's Nnamdi James. Love you. So now, after creating this our flyer, now what do? We just come to here that says download. We click on it, and it has suggested that we should download this thing on PDF print. Then we now click on download. You see how beautiful it is. Then we just allow it to download. As you can see, the thing, our flyer has started downloading. You can see it's downloading. We just give it a while for it to download. It's very, very easy creating flyer from an already made template. You know, one thing about Canva is that in Canva there are a lot of, everybody is a designer. It all depends on what you want. That is why I said. So you can see our flyer is already set. You can see how beautiful our flyer is. You can see how beautiful it is. That is how easy to create a flyer.